morning, students. I welcome you all for our geography lecture. Chapter number 2. Let us use the Graticule, part 2. Let us use the Graticule. You have to answer some questions with the help of this map. Answer the following questions about location and extent with the help of figure number 2.3, page number 11. So students, pay attention. Which latitude and longitude define the location of the capital of Brazil, Brasilia? You have to refer the map. 16 degrees south latitude and 48 degree west longitude. Now next question. What would be the longitudinal extent of Brazil that spreads from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 34 degree 45 minutes west longitude? The answer is 73 degree 59 minutes west to 34 degree 45 minutes west longitude. Okay, now next question. In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the north-south direction? See, I request you all to keep the textbook open and refer the map. Brazil extends in the northern hemisphere in the north-south direction. In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the east-west direction? Brazil extends in the west hemisphere in the east-west direction. Okay, now next question. Which parallels and meridians should be used to describe the extent of river São Francisco? 21 degrees south parallel and 47 degree 30 minutes west meridian to 7 degree 30 minutes south parallel and 36 degree 30 minutes west meridian. Describe the location of Marajo Island using the Graticule. 0.04 degree north parallel and 551 degree west meridian. Now, important parallels and meridians. Refer this figure. You have this figure in your textbook also. Let us get acquainted with some important parallels and meridians. All places between 23 degree 30 minutes north and south of equator receive perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year. My dear students, you know that our earth is having elliptical axis. So perpendicular rays fall only 2 days on the equator throughout the year. Other areas of the earth never get perpendicular rays. The parallel at 23 degree 30 minutes north and 23 degree 30 minutes south of equator are called Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn respectively. The parallels at 66 degree 30 minutes north and south of the equator are also important parallels. In the area between these two parallels, throughout the year, daytime lasts within the limit of 24 hours. These are called the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle, respectively. Let us get acquainted with some more important parallels and meridians. Depending on the seasons, daytime can be greater than 24 hours in the areas between the polar circles and the poles. You know what are the poles? The top portion, north and south. The maximum duration of the sun's appearance in the sky can be of 6 months at the poles based on the seasons. During this period, the sun continues to move in a spiral in the horizon. We have seen in Standard 5th that the Earth's axis is inclined. These important parallels arise because of its inclination by 23 degrees 30 minutes. Due to the duration and intensity of sunlight, different temperature zones are formed. Now, on the whole Earth, we don't have same type of temperature. Why? Because of the duration and intensity of sunlight. These zones give rise to pressure belts. Variation in the intensity of sunlight leads to regional diversity in plant and animal life. Do we find same type of vegetation and same type of plants on the whole earth? No. This is also because of the intensity of sunlight received on each place on the earth is different. The 0 degree longitude of prime meridian is an important meridian. The main purpose of this is to fix the global standard time and coordinate the standard times of different countries. This meridian is also called as Greenwich Meridian. Global Standard Time is known as GMT, the full form of which is Greenwich Mean Time. The 180 degree meridian is also important. From the prime meridian, other meridians are marked east and west up to 180 degree. The 180 degree meridian lies opposite to the prime meridian. The international date line is marked with reference to this meridian. The equator, as well as all pairs of opposite meridians, form great circles. Great circles are used for finding the minimum distance between any two places on the surface of the earth. Thank you, students. The remaining notes will be shared in the respective WhatsApp groups.